Hi students, today I am doing the problems from the exercise 10.2 in the topic algebra vectors. First problem, compute the magnitude of the following vectors. A vector is given by I cap plus j cap plus k cap. B vector is given by 2i cap minus 7j cap minus 3k cap. And C vector is given by 1 by root 3 into I cap plus 1 by root 3 into j cap minus 1 by root 3 into k cap. Now, we find the magnitude of the vector A. We know that whenever we have a vector P, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, the magnitude of P vector is denoted by modulus of P vector equal to square root of the scalar components of this vector equal to x, y, z. We have to take the squares of them and then we have to add. So equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now here a vector is given by I cap plus j cap plus k cap. The scalar components are 1, 1, 1. Here magnitude of a vector equal to square root of, we have 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equal to square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to root 3. Now b vector equal to 2i cap minus 7j cap minus 3k cap. Then modulus of b vector equal to square root of 2 square plus minus 7 whole square plus minus 3 whole square equal to square root of 2 square equal to 4, 7 square minus 7 whole square equal to 49 plus minus 3 whole square equal to 9. So it's equal to 49 plus 4 equal to 53. 53 plus 9 equal to 62. Now we have one more vector, that is C vector. Take C vector here now. C vector equal to 1 by root 3 into I cap plus 1 by root 3 into j cap minus 1 by root 3 into k cap. Magnitude of C vector equal to square root of 1 by root 3 whole power 2 plus 1 by root 3 whole power 2 plus minus 1 by root 3 whole power 2 equal to 1 by root 3 whole square equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Square root of 3 by 3. Square root of 1 equal to 1. Therefore, finally, we came to know that the magnitude of A vector equal to root 3. The magnitude of B vector equal to square root of 62. The magnitude of C vector equal to 1. Second problem. Write two different vectors having same magnitude. Let A vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap and B vector equal to 2i cap plus j cap. These two are different vectors. Here, mod A vector equal to, the magnitude of A vector equal to, we have square root of scalar components of A vector equal to 1 and 2. So here we have to take square root of 1 square plus 2 square equal to 1 plus 4 equal to root 5. Now magnitude of B vector equal to, we have square root of, here the scalar components are 2 and 1. So we have to take square root of 2 square plus 1 square. So 4 plus 1 equal to root 5. Here these two are having same magnitude. Mod A vector equal to mod B vector. But when you identify the given vectors, these two are different vectors. This is I cap plus 2j cap and this is we have 2I cap plus j cap. These two are different vectors but they have same magnitude. These are the examples of two different vectors having same magnitude. We can take A vector equal to R, we can take A vector equal to I cap, B vector equal to j cap. I cap and j cap are two different vectors, but magnitude is same. Mod A vector equal to 1, mod B vector equal to 1. Next problem. Write two different vectors having same direction. We have to take two different vectors, which of them are having same direction. We know that two vectors A and B are collinear if you take A vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap, B vector equal to 2I cap plus 4j cap. When do you say two vectors are collinear? If A vector and B vector are collinear, if A vector equal to lambda into B vector, where lambda is a scalar. Whenever A vector equal to lambda into B vector, then we say that the two vectors A bar and B bar are always collinear to each other. So here A vector equal to we have I cap plus 2j cap, B vector equal to 2I cap plus 4j cap. B vector equal to 2 times of I cap plus 2j cap. So equal to B vector equal to 2 times of A vector. So if I take this is A vector, B vector equal to 2 times of A vector we have. So this is B vector. So that here if you identify the two vectors A vector and B vector are two different vectors but they have same direction. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i cap plus 3j cap and xi cap plus yj cap are equal. When do you say that two vectors are said to be equal? If they have same magnitude and same direction. First vector is given by 2i cap plus 3j cap and second vector is given by xi cap plus yj cap. These two vectors are equal. Two vectors are said to be equal if their components are equal. Two vectors are equal if their components are equal. It implies in the place of x, here what are the scalar components in the second vector? In RHS side, what are the scalar components we have? X, y. Here what are the scalar components? 2, 3. What is the scalar component on x-axis? 2. Here what is the scalar component? X. What is the scalar component on y? 3 here. What is the scalar component on y-axis here? So y. Therefore, we say that x value equal to 2 and y value equal to 3. Whenever two vectors are equal, we have to equate the components. Here x equal to 2, and y equal to 3. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point -5, 7. Take the initial point is A here, 2, 1 and the terminal point equal to B. Take it as -5, 7. Now, scalar and vector components of this vector we have to find. Whenever the point is given, 2, 1 can be taken as 2i cap plus j cap. Let OA vector equal to, whenever the point is given, that can be taken as a vector. It's always equal to 2i cap plus j cap, and terminal point is given by B here, and OB vector equal to -5 into I cap plus 7 into j cap. Now here we have to find the scalar and vector components of AB vector. So how to find AB vector here? AB vector can be taken as position vector of the point B minus position vector of the point A. Position vector of the point B minus position vector of point A, which is equal to, we have OB vector minus OA vector. So here what is OB vector here? -5i cap plus 7j cap. So here write it as OB vector equal to -5i cap plus 7 into j cap minus OA vector equal to 2i cap plus j cap. So it implies it's equal to -5i cap plus 7j cap minus 2i cap minus j cap. So -5i minus 2i minus 7i cap plus 7j cap minus j cap plus 6 into j cap. Now here AB vector equal to, we have -7i cap plus 6, 7j cap. Here the scalar components of vector AB are -7 and 6. Therefore, scalar components of AB vector are -7, 6. This is on x-axis and 6 is on y-axis. Here, vector components of AB vector are -7i cap, comma 6 into j cap. So here the scalar components are -7, 6. Vector components of AB vector are -7i cap and 6j cap. Sixth problem. Find the sum of the vectors. A vector equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. B vector equal to -2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. And C vector equal to I cap minus 6j cap plus 7k cap. Here we have to find the sum of these three vectors. We know that sum of A vector and B vector are always denoted by A vector plus B vector. Sum of A vector, B vector and C vector is denoted by A vector plus B vector plus C vector. So here sum of A vector, B vector and C vector is always equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector, which is equal to Here A vector equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus B vector equal to, here we have minus 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap and here C vector equal to I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. Now here we have to take the like vectors. Take I cap minus 2i cap plus I cap plus, and now here we take all vectors containing j cap here. So here minus 2j cap plus 4j cap minus 6j cap plus k cap plus 5k cap minus 7k cap. So it's equal to I cap plus I cap equal to 2i cap. 2i cap minus 2i cap equal to 0i cap. Now here minus 2j cap plus 4j cap equal to plus 2j cap plus 2j cap minus 6j cap equal to minus 4j cap 6 minus 7 minus k cap. So finally we are getting the answer minus 4j cap minus k cap. Seventh problem, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A vector equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. We have to find the unit vector along this vector A. So A vector is given by here given that A vector equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now here unit vector along A vector is always equal to A cap. Unit vector along A vector is always denoted by A cap. The formula for A cap equal to A vector by mod A vector. Here A vector equal to we have I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. From this we can find mod A vector. Mod A vector is always equal to sum of the squares of the scalar components. So here we have square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square equal to 1 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root 6. Now here A vector is given by I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap upon mod A vector equal to root 6. So the unit vector along A vector equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is always equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap upon root 6. So the formula for unit vector is always equal to A cap is always equal to A vector by mod A vector. Eighth problem, find the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ bar where P and Q are points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. Here points PQ are given. P is given by 1, 2, 3 and Q is given by 4, 5, 6. Whenever the point P is given, clearly we can take that vector is OP vector here. Given that OP vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and OQ vector equal to Whenever point P is given, we have to take OP vector. Whenever the point Q is given, immediately we have to take OQ vector. 4I cap plus 5J cap plus 6 into K cap. Now, we have to find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ vector. Now, we have to find the vector PQ here. How to find the PQ vector here? To find PQ vector, we have to take formula here OQ vector minus OP vector. Here OQ vector equal to 4I cap plus 5J cap plus 6K cap minus OP vector equal to I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. It's equal to 4I cap plus 5J cap plus 6K cap multiplied by minus I cap minus 2J cap minus 3K cap. It's equal to 3I cap plus 3J cap plus 3K cap. Now we have to find unit vector along PQ vector. Here PQ vector is given by this one. Now how to find unit vector along PQ vector? Unit vector along PQ vector is always equal to formula PQ vector by magnitude of PQ vector. Now we have to find the magnitude of PQ vector. So to find the magnitude of PQ vector, we have to take square root of, here what are the scalar components of PQ vector here? 3, 3 and 3. So we have to take square root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9 plus 9, so 27, so equal to 9 into 3, so 3 into root 3. So magnitude of PQ vector equal to 3 into root 3. Now it's equal to PQ vector equal to, we have 3I cap plus 3J cap plus 3K cap upon mod PQ vector equal to 3 root 3. So take 3 common here. I cap plus J cap plus K cap upon 3 root 3. So equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap upon root 3. It implies unit vector along PQ bar is always equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap by root 3. Tenth problem. Find a vector in the direction of vector 5I cap minus J cap plus 2K cap which has magnitude 8 units. Solution. Let A vector equal to 5I cap minus J cap plus 2K cap. Now this is the vector A we have. Now we have to find a vector of magnitude 8 units along this vector A. To find it, first we have to find A cap here. Unit vector along A vector is always equal to A vector by magnitude of A vector. Already here we have A vector. Now we have to find magnitude of A vector. Magnitude of A vector is always equal to square root of 5 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 square equal to 25 plus 1 plus 4, so equal to square root of 30. Now A vector equal to we have 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap upon square root of 30. Now, which is denoted by a cap. Now we have to find a vector which has magnitude 8 units. So a cap modulus of a cap equal to 1. Now we have to find 8 into a cap. 8 into 1 equal to 8. So we have to find a vector of magnitude 8 units means we have to take required vector equal to required vector is a vector of magnitude 8 units in the direction of given vector a vector. 8 into a cap. So 8 into modulus of a vector is always equal to 1 into 1 into 8 equal to 8. So magnitude equal to we are getting finally 8 units. So 8 into 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap upon root 30 equal to 40i cap minus 8j cap plus 16k cap upon root 30. Therefore, this is the vector of magnitude 8 units along the vector 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap.